Okay, so here if you see, I am not sure which question that was, but okay, yes, this question. In a circle of radius, is it visible everyone? Okay,
Yes,
see
sir.
here in this question, in a circle of radius 12 centimeter, an arc PQ subtends an angle of 30 degree. In this question, they have given the angle as a 45 degree, and the radius remains same, that is a 12 centimeter. Okay, find the area between the arc PQ and the chord PQ. So we have to find the area, this red region we have to find out in this. But in this question, seventh question, find the difference between the same question and IR. Same question. Question number 2 and question number 7 सेम आहे. तिथे पण तुम्हाला हाच पोर्शन विचारलाय. समजतंय का अभिषेक? So only task is what you have to first find out. Area of sector will directly come. Radius माहिती आहे, theta माहिती आहे. So 45 means it's a pi by 4. So 12 into pi by 4 will give you the area of a sector. Abhishek, are you able to getting?
हो सर समजते.
Okay, and then we have to find the area of a triangle. So area of a triangle सेम काढायचं आहे. आता इथं 45 डिग्री दिलेलं आहे. ओके, सो साइन 45 डिग्री किती असतं? 1/√2 असतं. मग तुम्ही तिथून हाईट काढू शकता. येस ऑर नो?
हो सर.
बघा इथे साइन 30 डिग्रीवरून PM/OP केला. आता PM म्हणजे काय झाला? साइन 45 इंटू 12 होईल. साइन 45 1/√2 असतं. ओके, सो इन दॅट वे यू कॅन प्रोसीड. इज इट ओके? हां, 8th मध्ये काय आहे? 8th इज ऑल्सो सेम. OPQ is the sector of a circle having the center O and the radius of 15 centimeter. The angle POQ is equals to 30 degree. Find the area enclosed by the PQ and the chord PQ. सेम क्वेश्चन आहे, फक्त डिजिट्स चेंज केले. 7वा आणि 8वा. 7, 8 and 2 are exactly same. अभिषेक, second, yes or no? 7th and 8th, these all are exactly same.
हो सर.
Okay, just do it and let me know still if you have any doubts. Is it okay everyone?
हो sir.
Great. Okay, now let's directly start the today's session, and in this today's session we are going to solve the miscellaneous exercise 1. Okay, so after having all the basics of this topic, angles and measurement, let's proceed to solve the miscellaneous exercise. So in this exercise we have of course two parts. The first part belongs to the MCQ and the second part belongs to the descriptive answers. So let's see one by one. So if you have any doubts you can stop me in between. Yes, here we go, the miscellaneous exercise. Let's take the first part. Let's take the two questions at a time. You can solve these two questions on your own. So the miscellaneous exercise, select the correct options from a given alternatives. Okay, first question is 22 pi by 15 radian is equal to how much degree? Okay, you know that radian to degree is how? 22 pi by 15 into, so it's in the radian, so I want to convert into degree. मतलब क्या है, पहला डिग्री आएगा, उसके बाद आएगा नीचे रेडियन. So कि this pi gets cancelled. Do the simplification. Okay, next question is, I hope it is okay everyone. Will you do it? Simplification.
हो sir.
Great. 156 degree. 156 degree is what? So it's 156. We have to convert it into the radian. मतलब क्या आएगा? पहला रेडियन आएगा, पाई रेडियन, उसके बाद आएगा 180 डिग्री. Okay, so again do the simplification and please submit the answers by today evening. All the questions which I am going to give you for the homework you have to submit by today. Okay, give the answer, written answer with the option, it's whether A correct or B correct or C correct. Okay, now let's see the second one. Okay, yes, we will see now third one. Okay, a horse is tied to a post by a rope. It's a good question. If the horse moves along a circular path, always keeping the rope tight, and describes 88 meters when it traces the angle of 72 degree at the center, then the length of the rope is. Okay, can you visualize this question? First question is, can you visualize this? What they are saying is, a horse is tied to a post by a rope. Okay, let's consider this, we will take as a post. Okay, and to this post we have one horse. अभी horse कैसा निकालेंगे, अभी हम लोग ऐसा निकालेंगे. Assume it is horse or not a donkey. 1 2 अयो ये नहीं तो. Okay, let's assume this is horse or yes, this is a horse. Okay, now what they are saying is, always keeping the rope tight and describes 88 meters. Matlab, now this horse is allowed to move in the circular fashion. Okay, so it is allowed to move in the circular fashion. It becomes elliptical. Okay, please get this is as a circular, assume it is a circular one. So it traces the distance of 88 meters. Suppose this much distance becomes 88. Okay, so let me take this. So this much distance becomes 88, assume, and it subtends an angle of 72 degree at this time. Okay, so this angle becomes 72 degree and this becomes 88 meters. Now then find this x. Is it okay, everyone? Have you understood this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, a horse is tied to a post by a rope. If the horse moves along the circular path, see, this horse is moving in this circular path, and while moving it has covered 88 meters, and at that time he had subtended the angle of 70 degree at the center. Then find this length. So how you will find the length now? You know that this 88 is what? It's nothing but the length of sector. So that is denoted by S. So step number 1 is what? Write down the given information. So here S is equals to 88 meter and theta is equals to how much? It's a 72 degree. Okay. Step number 2 is what? What you have to find out? Find rope length. Find rope length, which is nothing but, in this case we have given the name as X. Okay. So how we will do it? Step number 3 is what? Use the formula S is equals to R into theta. So this is nothing but, this X is nothing but R. Will you agree for this? This is nothing
Yes.
but the radius of the circle.
Yes.
Okay. So R is equals to S by theta. So how much S they have given? It's a 88. And what is this theta is? It is nothing but 70 degree. Now can you cancel these two? Yes?
Yes.
Yes? Or we need to do something else?
Convert it into
Convert into,
radian.
boss. Yes, that's great, boss. Great. By in this question, in this formula, this theta is in the radian. But they have given the theta in the degree. For that you cannot directly cancel out these two. First you have to convert it into radian. तेव्हाच तुमचं मीटर आणि मीटर कॅन्सल होईल ना. Okay, so this is what we get the 88. So it is 72 into, so you want to convert it into radian. मतलब यहाँ पे पहला पाई आएगा और नीचे आएगा 180 डिग्री. Okay, हे 18 18 चौक 72, हे 4 दूनी 8 आणि हे 4 दूनी 8. ओके, सो कितना हो गया भाई 220/pi. So pi is nothing but how much 3.14. Okay, find the approximate answer and tick mark your option, correct option. Is it okay everyone?
Oh, yes.
Okay, please try to get the concepts. Okay, anyhow you will be definitely doing the simplifications. Important one is what you have to get the concept. Great, let's see the next one. Question number 4th. If 14 centimeter long pendulum oscillates through an angle of 12 degree, this you can do. I think the pendulum question we have already done. Okay, again let me give you the hint also. जे क्वेश्चन करू शकता ना तुम्ही सांगा सर, वी कॅन डू इट so that will not invest our time in this. If a 14 centimeter long pendulum oscillates through an angle of 12 degree, then find the arc length. Pendulum मतलब क्या था रोहित? I hope you remember still why we have taken that yesterday is 18 degree. So pendulum is nothing but एक, yes, okay. There is one fixed point and suppose this is what we have the length of pendulum and this is a ball of that pendulum. Now this length they have given as a 14 centimeter and it is subtending an angle of 12 degree. मतलब क्या है? If it oscillates and if I join the extremes, this angle becomes 12 degree. Okay, so write down the given steps. So they have given the length of pendulum. So with the help of this figure, the length of pendulum becomes what?
Yes.
Radius, exactly. It becomes the radius of that circle. So radius of that circle or sector is what? It's a 14 centimeter. And theta is also they have given as a 12 degree. First convert it into radian. So it becomes 12 into pi by 180 degree. Sorry, 180 degree. So it becomes, this whole part becomes in the radian. Now what is our task is find the length of its path. So we have to find this length. Okay, suppose this is what we name this as a PQ. So we have to find the PQ. So let's write in the second step. Step number 2 is what? Find what? Length of PQ, or we can say it is as a S in our standard notation. I hope you can do this now. Okay, what is the formula? Step number 3, use the formula S is equals to R into theta. Substitute here the values. R माहिती है, theta माहिती है. You can get the answer easily. Is it okay? Or you want me to solve this?
Okay, sir.
It is okay, yes, no problem, perfectly fine. Now let's take the question number 5th. Okay, if someone is finding this speed is little bit high, or sir please solve the questions itself. Okay, we do not want to solve किंवा sir हे समजत नाही आहे कसं करायचं समोर. You people can definitely reach me. We can solve this, no problem. मी का सॉल्व करत नाही, कारण थोडंसं क्युरियोसिटी असायला पाहिजे तुमच्यात की बाबा फायनल आन्सर काय असणार आहे. ओके, त्याच्यामुळे सॉल्व करत नाही आहे. अँड व्हॉट हॅपन्स यू नो, when you do simplification and if your answer matches the given option, then you will, and that matched option is correct option na, then the happiness you get is very precious. That happiness is very very important and that will definitely boost your confidence. तर त्याच्यामुळे मी सॉल्व करत नाही. हे सगळे तुम्ही म्हणजे मिस्टेक्स कसे होतात बघा ना, यू विल डू दिस सिम्प्लिफिकेशन आणि तुमचा जो काही ॲन्सर असतो ना, जे काही सिम्प्लिफाईड ॲन्सर येईल ना, तो ॲन्सर ऑप्शनमध्ये राहणार. 90% केसेसमध्ये तुम्ही सॉल्व केलेलं जे काही सिम्प्लिफाईड ॲन्सर आहे, यू विल फाइंड दॅट इन वन ऑफ दीज 4 ऑप्शन्स. बट इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दॅट की तुमचा आन्सर आलेला आहे ते बरोबरच असेल, कारण इथं आपण काहीतरी मिस्टेक करू शकतो. मग त्या गोष्टी मला आयडेंटिफाय करून द्यायच्या आहेत. दॅट्स वाय आय एम नॉट डुईंग दीज सिम्प्लिफिकेशन्स. यू चेक, क्रॉस व्हेरीफाय. तुम्ही बघा ना, तुम्ही सॉल्व केल्यानंतर एखादं 2 वेळेस तुमचे आन्सर मॅच होणार नाही आहेत, but you will find your simplified answer in the option, because the options are designed in such a way that the examiner knows where the student is going to do mistake. त्या प्रकारे ना हे ऑप्शन्स डिझाईन केलेले असतात. आणि मॅक्सिमम केसेसमध्ये कसं असतं, आपण जो काही सिम्प्लिफाय करतो ना, सिम्प्लिफाय केल्यानंतर मॅक्सिमम केसेसमध्ये ऑप्शन ए जो असतो ना तो येतो. समजा ह्या क्वेश्चनचा तुम्ही सिम्प्लिफाय केलात आणि ह्याचा आन्सर आला 13π/14 आणि तुम्हाला ऑप्शन नंबर ए दिसतो. आपल्याला एवढी खुशी होती ना, यार माझं आन्सर आलं बरोबर, अँड वी डोंट थिंक एनिथिंग अँड वी डायरेक्टली टिक दिस ऑप्शन ए. बट ट्रस्ट मी, in most of the cases this is wrong. ऑलवेज म्हणत नाही आहे मी, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेसमध्ये हा जो असतो ना ऑप्शन ए रॉंग असतो. म्हणून ऑप्शन ए आधी पण आल्यावरती थोडंसं आपण कॉशियस व्हायला पाहिजे आणि रीचेक करायला पाहिजे की बाबा खरंच ऑप्शन ए आहे का. ओके, सो विथ दिस लेट्स कंटिन्यू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. अँगल बिटवीन हँड्स ऑफ अ क्लॉक व्हेन इट शोज दी टाइम 9:45. ओके, एक क्वेश्चन करून दाखवतो ह्याचा. 9:45 म्हणजे किती झाले हो, हे 12, 3, 6 आणि हे 9. 9 हे छोटा काटा आहे. 45 मीन्स व्हॉट, येस हाऊ मच, 9:45 मीन्स व्हॉट, इट इज स्टील हिअर ओनली. मोठा काटा पण इथेच असेल, बरोबर ना. इनिशियल अँगल काढतोय मी, मोठा काटा पण इथेच असेल. इनिशियल अँगल काढतोय मी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आय एम फाइंडिंग द इनिशियल अँगल. Initial angle is how much? R hand and minute hand both are overlapping, so initial angle is 0 degree. But tell me, overlapping होण्यासाठी हा अशा केस असतं, बरोबर ना. हे 9 वाजले म्हणजे किती झालं, ह्यांच्या दोघांमधला अँगल 90 डिग्री झाला आता सध्या या कंडिशनमध्ये. बट टेल मी, दिस minute hand is revolving for 45 minutes. It is moving ahead for 45 minutes, and because of this movement of this minute hand, this R hand will also move by some degree. तो आपल्याला काढायचा. कसं काढणार, 60 मिनिटाला 30 डिग्री रिव्हॉल्व होतो. कोण, छोटा काटा, दॅट इज आर हँड. हा मिनिट हँड आहे. 60 मिनिटला this is revolving for 30 degree, but actually how much the minutes this minute hand is moving, it is moving for the 45 minutes. मग 45 मिनिट्सला हा छोटा काटा कितीवर जाईल तो चेक करायचा. सो x इज इक्वल्स टू व्हॉट, इट इज 30 × 45/60. हे गेले 2ला आणि हे गेले 22.5. चेक करा विच ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. ऑप्शन नंबर डी.
ऑप्शन नंबर डी.
समजते का, कन्सेप्ट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. अगेन अँड अगेन आय एम टेलिंग. इज इट ओके?
हो सर.
गुड. ओके, टेक द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. अगेन इम्पॉर्टंट क्वेश्चन. लेट मी ask you who can give me the answer to this question. First visualize this and let's try this question. I have already told you the steps. Okay, if you don't understand, move step by step, read the lines and try to draw the figure. Okay, let's proceed. Question number 6. 20 meters of wire is available for fencing of a flower bed in the form of a circular sector of radius 5 meters. Then the maximum area in the square meter of the flower bed is. Yes, 20 meters ची वायर आहे तुमच्याकडे. ओके, यू हॅव द 20 meters of wire, no doubt. Okay, is available for fencing of a flower bed in the form of a circular sector, very important. Okay, of radius 5 meter. मतलब क्या दिया है, स्टेप नंबर 1, what I will do, step number 1 is what information they have given, r is equals to 5 meter. Is it okay? And how is the circular bed? This is, we have the flower bed. ओके. अँड दिस इज नथिंग बट द फॅन्सी. ते असतं नाव तुम्हाला, आई होप यू हैव सीन दिस. ओके, जो वो आर्टिफिशियल फ्लावर्स रहते हैं ना, सपोज दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव द आर्टिफिशियल फ्लावर. ओके, अरे वाह, छान आता. ये जो नीचे रहता है ना, ये वाला, so this part is nothing but the flower bed. And if you observe, this is always in the sector form. Okay, so we have to find the मैक्सिमम एरिया. सो इसका जो एरिया है, ये जो ग्रीन कलर का है ना, उसका एरिया हम लोगों को निकालना है. सो दैट इज नथिंग बट दिस पार्ट, दिस सेक्टर. एंड दे हैव गिवन कि टोटल वी हैव दी 20 meters and radius is 5. So step number 2 is what we have to find the area of that circle, area of sector. What is the formula? area of sector का formula क्या है? Yes please, what is the area of sector formula? Please anyone? 1/2 थीटा आर स्क्वेअर. बघा ना, सर्कलचा हे काय एरियाचा फॉर्म्युला, इट्स अ पाय आर स्क्वेअर. पायला रिमूव्ह करा, थीटा टाका. हे रिमूव्ह केल्यामुळे एक पेनल्टी लागेल तुम्हाला 1/2. सो इन दिस वे यू कॅन रिमेंबर. सो 1/2 थीटा आर स्क्वेअर. इज इट ओके एव्हरीवन? ओके, सो 1/2 theta r square. So you have r but we don't have theta, but that theta they have given indirectly. See here, as the radius is 5, हा distance किती घेऊ हो, हा distance किती घेऊ. If this is the sector and if this is the initial origin, if I take, how much this line will be? अयो ये नहीं तो क्या हो गया. How much this distance I will take? Suppose this is a point P and this is point Q. How much this point is? How much this OP and OQ is?
5.
Yes, 5. Why you all the students, why you are not getting this? If I complete this, I will get a circle. ये अगर सेक्टर रहेगा तो दिस जो साइड्स है ना, दिस साइड्स आर ऑलवेज द रेडियस यार. दिस इज ऑलवेज द रेडियस. ये रेडियस है, ये रेडियस है, एंड दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 5. दे हैव मेन्शन्ड इन द क्वेश्चन इटसेल्फ द 5 meters. मग आता हे 5 झाला आणि हा 5 झाला, 5 आणि 5 10. उरले किती हो? 20 मधून 10 गेले रेडियससाठी, तर उरले 10. सो हा जो सेगमेंट आहे, हा जो लेंथ ऑफ सेक्टर आहे, तो किती असायला पाहिजे? 10 मीटर असायला पाहिजे. So this is nothing but the theta. So you have the radius, you have the s, which is arc length. So can you find out this theta? So theta is equals to how much? Theta is equals to r into, sorry, it is s is equals to r into theta. So from that, theta is equals to s by r, which is nothing but 10/5, which becomes 2. So theta becomes 2 radian. Is it okay? Okay, so just substitute that theta in this equation. So it becomes 1/2. Theta is nothing but 2 into r is nothing but 5 cos square. So it's 2 gets cancelled. 5 square is nothing but 25 meter square. So this is what the area of the flower bed. This is what the area of the flower bed. इसका 25 meter square आ गया. So which option is correct? Option number C. Is it okay? Okay, good. Yes, any doubt in this question? Any doubt? Sir, हा part कसा आला काय नाही. See what I have done in this question. You might getting this answer. Okay, approach is also you are getting. But why I have started like this only? Maybe this is your question. की सर ह्याच डायरेक्शन मध्ये का गेलं? सरळ सरळ मी काय केलं बघा ना. त्याने काय विचारलंय मी ते काढलं इथं. एरिया ऑफ अ सेक्टर, एरिया ऑफ फ्लॉवर बेड सांगितलंय त्यांनी. ओके. सो एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर त्याचा फॉर्म्युला लिहिला मी, एरिया ऑफ सेक्टरचा फॉर्म्युला लिहिला. बट ह्याच्यामध्ये आर माहिती आहे मला, बट आय डोंट नो द थिटा. सो दॅट्स वाय आय हॅव मूव्ड टू दिस डायरेक्शन अँड आय फाउंड द थिटा फ्रॉम दिस. Then I have substituted this theta here in this. Okay, see, in this way we have to do the engineering. This is kind of engineering and it's very interesting boss. It's very interesting की जो पार्ट आपल्याकडे नाही आहे तो पार्ट आपण कसं काढायचा, मग त्या पार्टला आपण युटिलाइज कसं करायचं आपल्या आन्सरमध्ये. These things are very important. Okay, and you will get these approaches once you have the practice questions. Okay, do as many as questions, solve those questions, cross verify your answers. If you have any doubts, let me know, let your friends know. You help each other and motto objective क्या है वो satisfy करो. That is very important. Okay, let's see the next one. Question number, okay, 7 you can solve on your own. It is the as same as your questions we have solved in the exercise 1. Okay, find the angles of the triangle are in the ratio. I hope it is visible everyone. Is it okay? 7th one. Okay, 7th. Find the angle. So angles are in the ratio 1:2:3. So you have to take that ratio proportionality constant as a x and you find the x, which is x plus 2x plus 3x becomes how much? Triangle है. So it is 180 degree. That part you have to consider and find the value of x. Let's take the next one, 8th one. Yes, 8th one is good question. So let me take this. Okay. A semicircle is divided into two sectors whose angles are in the ratio 4:5. Whose angles are in the ratio 4:5. Find the ratio of their areas. Yes, can anyone help me with this? Yes, please. Oh. Actually, no need to draw this figure also. Without figure, you can solve this. A semicircle is divided into two sectors whose angles are in the ratio 4:5. Suppose we have this as a center and we have divided this semicircle in the two sectors such that if this angle is 4, this angle becomes 5. असं ते म्हणतात. Means it's in the 4:5 ratio. Find the ratio of their areas. First of all, let's consider that step number 1, this sector angles, suppose we will take this as a theta 1 and this as a theta 2. Is it okay? So theta 1 by theta 2 किती दिलाय? They have given theta 1 by theta 2 as a 4/5. The ratio of the sectors, the ratio of the angles is they have given 4/5. What they have asked, step number 2, काय विचारलंय? Ratio of their area. So what I will write here is A1 by A2. Any problem?
No.
No. What is the formula for area? What is the formula for area of the sector? 1/2 theta r square.
Theta square.
1/2 theta r square. मग A1 चा किती येईल? And tell me, in these two sectors will the radius remain same or it differs? Radius दोघांचाही सेक्टर मध्ये सेम आहे का वेगवेगळे? सेम आहे, because this is a part of a same semicircle. If it is r, this will be r and this will be r only. Okay, so what is the difference is what we have the different angles. So area 1 चा फॉर्म्युला काय होईल? It is 1/2 theta 1 r square upon area 2 is what? 1/2 theta 2 r square. काय काय कॅन्सल होतं? 1/2 कॅन्सल, r square कॅन्सल, राहिला काय? theta 1 by theta 2. Are you getting? Then what is your answer is? What is your answer is?
4 by
It's
5.
4 by 5 only. See, I am short sure that after reading this question you found, sir, किती अवघड आहे question. But when we simplify this with our basic knowledge, this question becomes very very simple. Means what? The area of the sector is directly proportional to the angle subtended at the center. Is it okay?
हो sir.
Great. Let's take the question number 9. Find the measure of angle between the hour hand and minute hand of the clock at a 20 past 2. Okay, you can do this 9th question, no doubt. कराल ना? 20 past 2 means what? 20 past 2. How much time it is? Always look at this like this. 20 past 2 म्हणजे 20 च्या नंतर पास्ट 20 म्हणजे सॉरी 2 झाल्यानंतर पास्ट 20 को पास कर दिया उसने, सॉरी यार 2 को पास कर दिया. सो 2 देन गो पास्ट देन 20 म्हणजे 2:20. सो ह्या वेळेस आपल्याला दोघांमधला अँगल काढायचा. सो दिस इज व्हॉट वी हॅव 2 अँड 20 मीन्स दिस इज व्हॉट वी हॅव दी. हा 2 असेल आणि हा 20 मिनिट्स म्हटलं की इट शुड बी 4. ओके, हा इथे कुठेतरी 3 येईल. मग या दोघांमधलं अँगल काढायचं तुम्हाला. काढू शकाल ना? दिस इज द 9th क्वेश्चन.
हो.
नसेल तर नाही म्हणा यार, असं काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. वी कॅन सॉल्व दिस. ओके, लेट्स टेक द central angle of the sector of a circle, area 9 pi centimeter, perimeter. Okay, let's take this. Good question. Question number 10 says that, yes, who will help me with this? Okay, the central angle of a sector of a circle of area 9 pi, area they have given is 60 degree and theta पण दिलाय. मग पेरिमीटर विचारले. एवढा सोपा क्वेश्चन कसा करावू शकतो? येस राजेश्री, कॅन यू टेल मी व्हॉट विल बी द स्टेप नंबर 1? Sahil, write down the given information as it is. So area, central angle of a sector of a circle of area. सेक्टरचा एरिया दिलाय हो, सर्कलचा एरिया नाही. इट इज अ सेक्टर एरिया. सो सेक्टर एरिया वी डिनोटेड बाय ए, विच इज नथिंग बट 9 pi centimeter square. The next information they have given as a theta, which is nothing but 60 degree. Step number 2 will be what? What you have to find out? Find the perimeter. I want to find out. Step number 3, what you will do? I will use the formula. What formula you will use here? Perimeter मतलब क्या है? Suppose this is what we have the sector. This is suppose origin and this is P and Q. Perimeter मतलब क्या है? हा पूर्ण लेंथ रेड कलरचा जो आहे ना तो सगळा लेंथ आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचा. पेरिमीटर. So perimeter is what? It is, suppose this is R and this is R. Suppose this is S. So perimeter of a sector is equals to what? Perimeter of a circle from the
S
figure.
plus 2R.
Yes, exactly. So can I say this is S plus 2R? So S plus 2R. R माहिती आहे का तुम्हाला? I don't know R. But what I know? I know the area. Okay, and I know the theta. So this is what we have the theta is. So use the theta area formula. So area is equals to 1 by 2 theta into R square, which is nothing but how much area they have given is a 9 pi. 9 pi. Okay. हां, मग आता काय करणार नेक्स्ट? थिटा माहिती आहे आपल्याकडे 60 डिग्री आहे. सो व्हॉट यू विल डू? 60 डिग्री मीन्स हाऊ मेनी रेडियन्स? इट्स अ पाय बाय 3. It's yes, it's a pi by 3 and it's a R square equals to 9 pi. So I can definitely cancel out these two pies. ओके, हे किती झाले हो, 3 2 6, हे 6 गेले इकडं. सो आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू हाउ मच, 27 आणि हे 2 किती, कितना हो गया भाई, 54. इज इट ओके? 9 इंटू 3 इंटू 2 विच इज 6, 9 सक 54. ये हो गया मेरा आर स्क्वायर. बट आर कितना हो गया फिर, आर बिकम्स माई रूट ऑफ 54. दिस बिकम्स माई सॉरी radius. Okay, so what will be the sector then, what will be the s? So let's find out s. S is equals to r into theta. So what is r is, it is nothing but root of 54, and what is theta is, it is a pi by 3. This becomes my s. Okay, now perimeter will be what, so perimeter is equals to s plus 2 into r. So s is how much, it is root of 54 into pi by 3 plus 2 into r. So it is 2 into root of 54. Let's take root 54 common, and let's have inside the bracket pi by 3 plus 2, which is nothing but, okay, so let's have this root of 54 into 3 2 6, so it becomes 6 plus pi by 3. The perimeter of the circle is the central angle of the sector of a circle. Have you done any mistake here? Options are not matching.
सर 54 मधून 3 कॉमन घ्या ना, बाहेर काढा 3.
म्हणजे 9 सख 54. yes, so we will have here under the root of 54 we have 9 into 6, it is 6 plus pi by 3. So I can take this 9 common. So 9 जर कॉमन घेतला मी तर हा झाला 3 root 6, बरोबर ना?
हो सर.
It is 6 plus pi by 3. So this 3 gets cancelled. So what is your answer is, it is still root 6 into 6 plus pi येत आहे. 3 2 6 6 6 plus pi, so root of 54 6 plus pi. So what are options we have is pi, 3 plus pi, 6 plus pi and 6. The central angle of a sector of a circle is of area, sector of a circle of area, sector of a circle of area. Yes, this is the, acha, this is, oh okay, oh yes, this is nothing but the area of a circle. This is not the area of a sector they have given. See here, this is the area of a circle, circle of area 9 pi. Okay, it is a area of the circle, it's not the sector area. Okay, see, is it okay? Let's take that question and let me recheck whether it is correct. So this is nothing but the circle area which is 9 pi. So step number 1 is what, it is the area of circle, so which is nothing but 9 pi. So area of circle is how much we have, it's a pi r square. So pi gets cancelled, so r square is equals to 9, implies r is equals to 3. Is it okay? Let's take this sector angle is equals to 60 degree दिया है. So theta is nothing but 60 degree. So convert into radian. So 60 into pi by 3. So ये आ गया मेरा 20 pi.
Pi by 180.
हाँ, that's great, thank you so much. Okay, pi by 180. So ये कैंसिल हो गया, ये आ गया मेरा 3. Okay, sorry, so it is what we have the pi by 3 radian. Okay, so what is next step is I want to find the perimeter. So perimeter of this circle is nothing, sorry, sector is nothing but it is s plus 2r from this figure. From this figure, s plus r is nothing but s plus 2r. So find the values now. So s is nothing but r into theta plus 2r. What is r we have? It is 3. What is theta we have is pi by 3 plus 2 into r is again 3. Okay, we have done very simple mistake in reading the question. So it becomes pi plus 6. So what this is my answer is. Is it okay everyone? So this one is wrong. Okay, so these type of mistakes we can do here. If you do more practice now, you will find these type of mistakes. And also what you will understand is that these type of sentences, okay, sector of सर्कल ऑफ एरिया. आता हा एरिया आहे त्याने सेक्टरसाठी सांगितलंय का सर्कलसाठी सांगितलंय कसं ओळखणार? ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दॅट उलटा जाने का, सेंटेन्समध्ये उलटं जायचं. हे अशा वेळेस जेव्हा असे कन्फ्युजिंग सेंटेन्स जेव्हा येतात त्यावेळेस काय करायचं? उलटं जायचं. 9 पाय एरिया, मग नंतर सर्कल आहे, जो सगळ्यात पहिलं येईल ना त्याचा एरिया असतो हा. इट इज़ ऑलवेज ट्रू. 9 पाय उल्टा जाने के बाद पहला आपको सर्कल मिल रहा है. सो ये एरिया जो दिया है वो सर्कल का दिया है. इज इट ओके? सो डू मोर प्रैक्टिस. वो बोला है ना कि भाई जितना ज़्यादा गलतियाँ करोगे ना उतना ज़्यादा हम लोग सीखेंगे. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव. इज इट ओके एवरीवन? सो दिस इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. ओप सॉरी. यस और नो प्लीज. यार बोला यार काहीतरी.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is what we have solved. Okay, let's take the next one. तुम्ही बोलत नाही ना काही, पण मला समजत नाही तुम्हाला समजतंय की नाही ते. So in this way we have completed the first part. Now let's see the second part. If you have done the homework, you can answer this question easily. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon if each of its interior angle is 3 pi by 4. Who will help me? Step number 1 is what? Write down the given information. The interior angle they have given for the polygon. Interior angle for polygon. पॉलीगॉन मतलब क्या है? इट इज हैविंग n नंबर ऑफ गॉन्स, मतलब n नंबर ऑफ एंगल्स दे हैव गिवन. आई डोंट नो 5 आहे, 6 आहे, 7 आहे, 8 आहे, 9 आहे. हाउ मेनी एंगल्स और साइड्स वी हैव? आई डोंट नो. दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ साइड्स. ओके, बट इंटीरियर एंगल दे हैव गिवन एज अ 3 पाई बाय 4. what information or what theorem you will use here? Find number of sides. Yes, what information you will use here? Number of sides मध्ये. Step number 3 is what? I will use the exterior angle theorem. What it says? For any polygon, yes, who will help me? For any polygon, the sum of, we have already solved this question, the sum of exterior angles, the sum of exterior angles is always equals to how much? Yes, please.
360 degree.
Yes, it's a 360 degree or 2 pi radian. Okay, now how many external angles are there if we have polygon of side n? Exterior angle म्हणजे हे सांगितलं होतं तुम्हाला असे. So these are all exterior angles. Suppose this is point A, B, C, D and E. So this becomes the exterior angle. हा A आहे. This becomes the exterior angle of A. If this is B, this becomes the exterior angle of B. So what is the relation between interior and exterior angle? Interior angle plus exterior angle is how much? Interior plus exterior is how much? Yes, please. This is interior angle, this is exterior angle. दोघांना ऍड केलं तर काय येतं? होमवर्क
180
करत
degree.
नाही,
180.
होमवर्क करत नाही का रे तुम्ही लोक? इट शुड बी 180 डिग्री. ओके, आता कसं आहे, फटाफट आन्सर द्यायला पाहिजे. झालं ना आता मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइजला आलं म्हणजे काय, जवळपास टॉपिक संपत आला. हाँ, इंटीरियर एंगल प्लस एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज 180 डिग्री. सो यहाँ से आप एक्सटीरियर एंगल निकाल लो. So it is 180 degree means it is a pi radian. So let's have the pi. Interior angle is how much? They have given is a 3 pi by 4. So subtract this 3 pi by 4 from this. Pi minus 3 pi by 4. So how much you will get? 4 pi minus 3 pi becomes pi by 4. So exterior angle कितना आ गया? Pi by 4 radian. So with the help of this polygon theorem, that the sum of exterior angles is 2 pi radian. If we have the polygon, for polygon you can remember this as a formula. For a polygon, n into exterior angle, so n into theta, we'll write it as exterior, theta e, it is equals to 2 pi radian. Take this as a formula. N theta is equals to 2 pi radian. Theta e represents the exterior angle. म्हणजे काय? theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 plus dot 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 theta n, it is equals to 360 degree. But all the values of theta are same. For regular polygon, सांगितलं होतं, for regular polygon all the values of theta are same. That's why what you will get? theta 1 plus theta 1 plus theta 1 किती टाइम्स? n टाइम्स theta 1, it is equals to 360 degree. जर यांना ॲड केला तर काय होईल? You will get n theta is equals to 360 degree. Same formula I have used here. So n theta e is equals to 60 degree. So n as it is, theta e is how much? किती आलो एक्सटेरियर एंगल? pi by 4 into pi by 4, it is equals to 2 pi. Okay, this pi gets cancelled, so n is equals to 4 into 8. 4 into 2 is 8. So how many sides you have for the given polygon? Is the 8. So the number of sides, this becomes the number of sides. समजतंय का? का उगं मी चाललोय आणि तुम्ही पण मागे आहात, असं काही होतंय? समजतंय ना? Okay, so what we will do is we will stop here, but before that solve the questions number which we have given for the homework in the part 1, that is in the miscellaneous. So solve those questions, and with this let's try to solve the questions from here. The two circles, हा वाला मी solve करतो, don't worry, you don't solve this. A triangle of PQ or equilateral triangle, हा पण मी solve करतो, don't take this for homework. So what you can take is the question number 4, 5, 6, 7 you can take for homework. 4, 5, 6 and 7. 5, 6, 7 you take these 4 for homework. All the questions are very simple. And again 8, 9, 10, 11 we will solve in the class. 8, 9, 10, 11 and 2 and 3. Okay.
Okay sir.
आणि ऑफकोर्स फर्स्ट पार्टमध्ये जेवढे काय आपण क्वेश्चन सिम्प्लिफिकेशनसाठी सोडले ते सिम्प्लिफिकेशन विथ द आन्सर यू हॅव टू सबमिट. अँड आय थिंक आय हॅव गिवन दिस एज फॉर होमवर्क. ह्या सगळ्या क्वेश्चन्स तुम्हाला फेअर करायचेच आहेत एनी हाऊस. इज इट ओके एव्हरीवन? So with this we will stop here and I will be uploading the yesterday's and today's video within an hour. ठीक है.